Finance is the study of how people and organizations manage money. Whether you're saving up for a big purchase or managing the finances of a business, the principles of finance can help you make better decisions and achieve your goals. To start with, let's talk some basic financial terms. The first one is income. Income is the money you earn from work or other sources like investments or rental property. Your income is an important factor in determining your financial situation. Another important term is expenses. Expenses are things you spend money on, like rent, groceries, and entertainment. It is important to keep track of your expenses so you can make a budget and know where your money is going. Speaking of budgets, let's talk about that next. A budget is a plan for how you'll spend your money. It's important to create a budget to make sure you're not spending more than you earn. You can use a spreadsheet or an app to create a budget or simply write it down on a piece of paper. One important concept in finance is the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are the things you have in value, like a car or a house. Liabilities are things you owe, like a credit card debt or a mortgage. It is important to keep track of your assets and liabilities so you can understand your net worth. Another important concept in finance is interest. Interest is the cost of borrowing money, or the money you earn from lending money. When you borrow money, you have to pay interest on that loan, and when you lend money, you'll earn interest on the money you lend. Investing is another important concept in finance. Investing is when you put money into stocks, bonds, or other assets in hope of earning a return on your investment. Investing can be risky, but it can also be a way to grow your wealth over time. One more important financial concept is taxes. Taxes are the money you pay to the government based on your income and other factors. It is important to understand how taxes work and how they'll impact your finances. So, those are some basic financial terms and concepts. Now let's talk about some tips for managing your finances. The first tip is to create a budget and stick to it. Make sure you're not spending more than you earn and that you're saving money for the future. A second tip is to pay off your debts as quickly as possible. Credit card debt and other high-interest debt can be a major drag on your finances, so make it a priority to pay off these debts as soon as you can. The third tip is to start saving for retirement as early as possible. Even if you're young and retirement seems like a long way off, the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. The fourth tip is to educate yourself on personal finance. Read books, watch videos, and take courses to learn more about how to manage your money. And finally, don't be afraid to ask help when you need it. Whether it's from a financial advisor, a friend, or a family member, there's no shame in seeking help when it comes to managing your finances. So that's it for the video on the basics of finance. Remember, managing your finances is an important part of achieving your goals and living the life you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.